Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie, I'm your friendly skincare fanatic. So if you're skin obsessed like me, then please hit the subscribe button down below. It really does mean the world to have you with me. In today's video, I'm going to be talking you through the FOREO UFO 1 device. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so I purchased this little beauty a couple of days ago now, and I've been super excited to try it. I bought this from Brand Alley. Now, I've spoken about Brand Alley in one of my videos before. It is like a designer discounted online store. You sign up to an email and then they send you a daily email of all of the sales. So this retails at £169 and I got this for £118. So it's about a 30% discount, which I'm super pleased with. Now this little beauty, I call it little beauty because it's so cute. So you might not know, but UFO stands for your, spelled UR, future obsession, and it's so true. This is what it looks like. And it comes in a little box. You get a little stand with it, but that is the actual device, and in there is where you charge it, and it's got a USB. What you do, you unclip this little ring, and that is where the mask sits here. The mask sits on here and you clip it back into place and then you switch it on. The FOREO device uses 3 different types of technologies. So the first technology is Thermo and Cryo treatments. Now this is all about using temperature. So the UFO 1 and the Mini and the UFO 2 all have this technology. It's like a thermo treatment, and what the device does, it heats up and then it cools down. So it heats up to 45 degrees, which is a perfect temperature for your pores to open up. That temperature allows for a deeper penetration of the mask ingredients. But the heat also softens and boosts radiance of your skin. So the opposite treatment, that is cryo technology, and this is the cooling side of the device. So the low temperature lifts and kind of firms the skin. It also reduces puffiness, and where the heat has opened pores, the cooling technology closes the pores, or it shrinks the pores. So cryo and thermo technology or treatment is really good for deeper penetration, opening and closing pores, and giving your skin a lift. It then uses LED light therapy. It uses red, green and blue. So red is great for anti-aging, it penetrates into the skin, helps to produce collagen. Blue light is great for acne, for treating acne, and green light has a calming result and is really good for treating hyperpigmentation. So then it includes T-sonic sound waves. So these sound waves, they reach deep into your skin. So there's about 10,000 pulses per minute, and it basically stimulates the skin and improves detoxification. It reduces puffiness, smooths lines, and it exfoliates the skin without kind of pulling on it. So that itself is just amazing. Combine that with the LED light therapy that I've spoken about, plus the cooling and the warming, you really do have a kind of at-home facial in literally the palm of your hand. So this takes 90 seconds. And what I have found out is that obviously you can use this however many times you like, but for the moment I have used this for 90 seconds and it's working perfectly. On the UFO 1, you have to use the masks from FOREO, which I don't mind. They're between £9.99 and £18.99, I think, depending on which one you go for. So it really is a great little device, and I'm so excited to start using and incorporating this into my daily routine. That is the little quick explanation about what this device includes. Now I'll just show you a quick little demonstration so you can see me using the mask and then the results of the mask afterwards. Okay, so my skin is all cleansed now and I'm just going to have a little read. So I'm using the Make My Day mask. There's loads of product already. Got the little, if you can see how drenched with product that is. The mask on here, like that, and then the little clip. God, it's going everywhere. I don't know if this is right. I'm going to use that. I'm not going to waste any of the product. a little ridge there. So that is where the mask goes on. Really everywhere. I will get used to this, I'm sure. If it does. Ah, okay. Okay, so it's just a cold at the moment. Okay, so I've just pressed it once, which is on the little instructions, is just for day. So you've got day and night just there. Is it working? So it's just flashing. Okay, I think that's working. It's not vibrating though. Now, okay, now it's working. Okay, now it's getting warm. That feels really lovely. That feels nice. That feels really nice. It's just gone to green. And now the light has switched off. Sounds like it's running out of battery, but I've made sure I've charged it. Okay. Is that it? That is the 90 seconds. It goes very, very fast. My skin feels really nice actually. So that was with Make My Day. And I am very, very pleased. Let me go by the window and I'll just show you in the light. Okay, so yeah, feels really nice. I'm going to be buying some more of the masks because you get one free. I just thought I'd show you it in action. So there we are. So there it is. You've seen it in action. I need to practice a little bit more, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. I really have enjoyed using it so far, and I will continue to incorporate this into my skincare routine. So let me know in the comments below if you have one of these, or the UFO 2, or if you're thinking about purchasing one. Perhaps this video is helpful for you, which I hope it is. So yeah, let me know, and I will see you on the next This Mummy Knows.